Microsoft Word. Tips and tricks for increased productivity. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing tool that offers a variety of features to enhance productivity. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, learning a few key tricks can save you time and effort. Here are some essential tips to maximize your efficiency in Microsoft Word. 1. Use keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can help you navigate Word more quickly. Here are some useful ones. Ctrl+C. Copy Ctrl+X. Cut Ctrl+V. Paste Ctrl+Z. Undo Ctrl+Y. Redo Ctrl+B. Bold Ctrl+I. Italicize Ctrl+U. Underline Ctrl+P. Print to. Customize the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar allows you to add frequently used commands for easy access. To customize it, click on the File tab and select Options. Go to Quick Access Toolbar, add the commands you frequently use. 3. Use templates for faster document creation. Word offers pre-designed templates for different document types, such as resumes, reports, and letters. To use a template, click on File Greater Than New. Choose a template or search for one online. Customize the template as needed. 4. Use styles to maintain consistency. Applying styles ensures a consistent look throughout your document. To apply a style, highlight the text. Click on the Styles group in the Home tab. Select a predefined style or create a custom one. 5. Utilize Find and Replace instead of manually searching for words. Use Find and Replace to quickly locate and change text. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace tool. Enter the word or phrase you want to replace. Type the new text and click Replace All. 6. Use Smart Lookup for quick research. Smart Lookup helps you find definitions, synonyms, and related information without leaving Word. Highlight a word or phrase. Right-click and select Smart Lookup. Use search results from the web within Word. 7. Enable autosave and auto-recover to prevent losing work. Enable autosave and auto-recover. Click File Greater Than Options. Go to Save. Ensure autosave and auto-recover are turned on. 8. Collaborate with others in real time. Microsoft Word allows multiple users to edit a document simultaneously. Save your document to OneDrive. Click Share and invite collaborators. Edit the document together in real time. 9. Use dictation for hands-free typing. Word includes a dictation feature that converts speech into text. Click on the Dictate button in the Home tab. Speak clearly and Word will transcribe your words. 10. Protect your documents to keep sensitive documents secure. Use password protection. Click File Greater Than Info. Select Protect Document Greater Than Encrypt with Password. Set a strong password and click OK. Conclusion. Microsoft Word is packed with features that can significantly boost productivity. By utilizing keyboard shortcuts, templates, collaboration tools, and security features, you can work more efficiently and create professional documents with ease. Start implementing these tips today to make the most of Microsoft Word.